Okay, so I'm not sure if I should call it a lie or not, but I want to play with this some more. And yesterday I put stripes on my swipe card of both black and white. And I'm thinking that I'd like to do something really wild. Open my bottles and just let her rip. So I need a flat edge. And I need and I need the black to come out like 5 times as fast as it's coming out. But I'm going to use the purple too. And I hope this isn't going to ruin it. But I think it's going to be cool. So there's Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam White and Amsterdam Black and a Hobby Lobby brand of dioxazine purple. And I'm just going to start on one side, decide where I'm going to go, and I think I'm going to go that way. And call it good. Even though it's nothing like I was expecting, it's still kind of cool to see what's happening. And that's just kind of neat. It's definitely got some brown overtones. I'm wondering if I can tip. And maybe I will if I grab another edge catcher, or maybe even the same edge catcher. I had this question in my head all day about this. Nobody may ever see part 2. Son of a gun. Well, at least I have a picture of part 1, right? It's still kind of cool. I'm just not sure it's as cool as it was. And I have a lot of leftover paint. I'm not going to call this an absolute success, but I am going to do more. In spite of the fact that I probably shouldn't, I am. Because I'm not a big fan of that orangey color. Oh, I see a large lump. In this case, I'm just going to try and grab it with my fingers. That's not working. It's getting very dark very quickly. Scrape off my excess. I'm making a terrible mess today. Oh well. I'm not beyond saving things if I can. I'm not hating that anymore. That's good. I'm looking for, what color am I looking for? I'm looking for some of that orange. And I'm going to use, no, I was going to use the purple, but I'm not going to. I can't see anything anymore. So let's turn on the lights. And I put my tool down, there it is. I give it a quick rinse and console myself that this is going to be far more interesting than I think it is if I just keep going. I really like that turquoise. Which is the Artist Loft. I am going to use the purple this time. I might use it with some white. I could use it with some black too. I think I'm just going to... There, that's a little better. I think if I put some of that purple down in here, I'm probably going to be happy. I like the purple with the gold. I really want some of that blue. Venetian blue from Modern Masters. The cell activator, the Floetrol, the Aussie Floetrol, and the dioxazine purple works out really well. Oops, I think I just made all my turquoise go away. I'm making mud a few places. But it's colorful mud. Some cells are popping. It's not a scrape thing, but it's not far off. I think I just picked up all that orange. Okay, this is either a stage 1 or a just for fun or whatever else rhymes with that. I could just keep doing weird stuff. I could take my balloon, but do I have anything to wipe it off on? I guess I do. So I'm just sticking it in and twisting it. I don't think it's improving anything though. It's really intense. That's going in the bucket. That's going in the bucket. I'm going to call it good. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. At the end of the last video, you probably saw or heard everything you needed to hear. I'm trying to figure out if there's a color I can stick in here that'll make me feel better about it. That might be it. We'll call it art therapy. Throw a few spirals in. All right, so I guess in this case, part of me thinks I should have left well enough alone. Part of me thinks that I'll know better whether I like this tomorrow. And the rest is pretty much unmentionable. But it was fun. It was definitely fun to do. I am going to do one last thing. That's not the last thing I'm going to do. So that's a little bit of hot orchid, a little bit of the dioxazine cell activator, and a little bit of the white. Just to break up that central section a little bit. And expose some colors that weren't there before, and I like that a lot better. Cool. Makes me not want to quit. Where? That's more of the Anita's white metallic. If in doubt, add dots. Well, I don't know. We'll see. Little cobblestones. Cool. You know what? I'm not unhappy anymore. Surprise, surprise. Just drag that down a little bit. Oh, I just erased it. Okay. We're going to know way more about how I feel about this tomorrow than we do right now. But there's an awful lot going on in there. And it was a lot of experimenting, and I had some fun. Thank you for joining me. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I will see you guys anon. Let's zoom in, because there's so much going on in here. I'm not going to call it a fail yet. I have to see it dry. I don't actually think it is. But I'm a little curious to know what it's going to look like. There's a lot of paint on there. A lot. Alright. I will see you guys anon. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. Don't forget the thumbs up if you had fun watching that. And just know I love you. Bye for now. Priscilla out.